Okay, going with the chapter of algebra. What we are algebraic expressions is the chapter, right? Now, this chapter is going to continue in your next grade as well, okay? Now, in the first exercise, they're asking you whether the following things are variables, constants, and arithmetic operations. Get the algebraic expression in the cases using all of these things. Now, first of all, let's understand what is a variable. Variable are all the alphabets that we use in algebra. The alphabets that we use, those are called as variables: x, y, z, a, b, p, q. All these things, r, s, t, these are called as variables, because sometimes if I take the variable t, Rehan may say its value is 10, Lisha may say its value is 7, I may say its value is 8, Rishabh may say its value is -3, and so this is why the values of t can be different for everyone around. Since it is not having a fixed value, there is no fixed value to it, so what we are doing, we are calling them, their values are varying instead. What is happening to the value? The value is varying instead, so then that is why it is called as a variable. Okay, and numbers, if we talk about a number, now if I say 7, then Lisha, everyone is going to, if I say draw 7 balls, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, everyone is going to draw 7 balls itself. Okay, if I say 3, then what? 3 houses, so everyone is going to make 3 houses, isn't it? So why? Because the numbers have a constant value, they have a constant or a fixed value. That is why they are called as the constants. Okay, alphabets are called as the variables. Okay, now going to the arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operations? Now, what are the arithmetic operations that we have into consideration? Those arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, that is minus, there's addition, there's subtraction, there's multiplication, okay, and there is division as well. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operations that we are going to perform. So going to exercise 12.1, in here what do they say is, they have given the first question where they are saying use variable, constant, and arithmetic operations to write the expression down. In the first expression, it says subtraction of z from y. Okay, so y is going to be written down first, subtraction is happening, so z will come in the end. The second one is 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. 1/2, that means 1/2 of the sum. Okay, sum is of, means multiplication, sum of x and y, x plus y we are going to do, and we are going to do this. So 1/2 means what? It is going to be, hold it in your hand, upside down, upside down, other way around, hold the tip, yeah, and then do it, hold it freely in your hand and do. So this, if I do it, 2 ones are 2 and 3, so it becomes 3/2 of x plus y will be the answer for this one. Okay, going to the third one in here, it says that third one is the number z multiplied by itself. There is a number z which is multiplied by itself, so z into z, it becomes z square, or you can just write z into z as well. Going with the fourth one, there it says 1/4 of the product. 1/4 of means multiplication of the product of p and q. P times q. This is how you're going to represent it. Okay, going with the fifth one, there what does it say? In the fifth one, it says numbers x and y both squared and added. X and y were both squared and then added, so x square plus y square is what you're going to write. Okay, then the sixth one is going to be number 5 added to. Number 5 is added to 3 times. Okay, 3 times the product of the numbers m and n. So this is how you're going to write it. Number 5 is added to 3 times the product of m and n. Okay, going with the seventh one in here, it goes as product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So from 10, so 10 is going to come first, and you're going to subtract the product of y and z. That's how you're going to write it down. Going to the third one there, last one there over there, it says that sum of numbers a and b. Okay, sum of numbers A and B subtracted from their product. This is to be subtracted from the product. So product is AB. So AB minus of A plus B is what we are going to write for this one. This is how we finish the first question.